Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Swiffer PowerMop that I just got from Amazon, and I did purchase their mopping pads separately on Amazon as well. I got a pack of 2 and they come with 5 each, so a total of 10 power mops. But let's open this up and set it up so I can show you guys what the process looks like. Alright you guys, this is the Swiffer all laid out. I started by connecting the aluminum poles all together, and all you gotta do is push it until you hear a click. And now we're ready to fill it in with the battery. So there's a battery pack that goes right alongside here, and all you gotta do is pull it out and put in 2 AA batteries. So let me go get them. Alright, batteries all inserted here on the back, and this is the Swiffer floor cleaner product in the Smell Fresh that comes with the product. So I'm going to be flipping this over and inserting the fragrance inside. And last but not least, we're inserting the mop pads. This is the refill boxes that I bought extra, but it does come with 2 of these, so I'm going to be attaching them to the bottom of the Swiffer. Now the Swiffer is all set up and ready to clean, and all you gotta do is press the button all the way on the top of the handle up here to spray away and mop all dirty messes. I've done that at my home and it works so great, so I definitely recommend you guys go try it as well.